Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the anydesk, that how you can download the anydesk on your PC and install it and what actually it is. So let's start. First of all, what you have to do, you have to write the anydesk on your Google Chrome. So I'm going to write the anydesk. So as you can see, the website of anydesk, it is open here, and you can see the fast remote desktop application, and you can see all the details of this provided here. You can see all the things, and I'm going to click on this. After clicking on this, as you can see here, the start business trial or download now. You have to click on the download now, and the downloaded function will be started. And now you have to provide your email address. So let me tell you that what actually anydesk is. Through the anydesk, you guys can share your screen from one computer to another computer, or if you want to connect the one computer with multiple computer, you can also do that. You can share the screen with anyone. It doesn't matter that where you are. You just need to internet connection. It's a simple and easy way. The anydesk will provide you a code, and you have to put that code into another device, and the device will be connected. It doesn't matter that where you are. So you just have to download the anydesk, and you have to run it, and after running it, you will get a code. You have to put that code into another device, and it will work. So in this way, you can share your screen. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can download the anydesk and share your screen. So see you guys in the next video.